Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Czinger 21C. Honestly, I don't know anything about this car. So I bought it because it looked really different and cool. So I bought it. So Peak Pursuit. Let me see. Okay. So okay guys, see. One of the reason I don't really do much research about all these things, I want you guys to come and comment on those things. Because if I'm doing everything, then I mean there is not going to be any interaction in the comment section, right? So obviously it is going to take so much of my time. But again, I will be able to do it if I put some thought into it or some effort into it. But I want some of you guys to come up and show your effort there, like how much you love cars or a specific casting, something like that. So put it in the comments. I will definitely pin that one. So I did for couple of things, so couple of people who actually did this in the past. So it is still pinned. I didn't even remove that. So if you guys want to give a good description about this car, please go ahead and do it. I will pin that for sure. So if you feel that I'm missing that out, just top up to that comment. I will surely check that one and pin it for sure. So right now the only thing I am actually concentrating is the review of a specific casting, whether it's worth the money or not, how good it is or how bad it is, whether you can whether I will be able to suggest it for you or not. And these kind of things I usually concentrate on my video, because I really want to keep the video within that 5 minutes range, but sometimes it is getting extended. So okay, so without any further ado, let's unbox this one. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks really beautiful, and so it does have some scratches here on the top. So that is actually like fully the entire windshield here, including the thing which covers the cockpit, and everything, the roof and all, everything is plastic. So apart from that, okay, so it does have headlight details here. It has the logo here, which is really good. I mean, they could have went with the different set of rims here, but they didn't. But it's fine. So it does have this tail light detail here. Again, I'm not sure about this actual car. Is this the only tail light? The strip lights here, LED strip lights here, or it does have some more details to it. So I want you guys to comment on that one. So the exhaust details are here. They painted on top of it, which is really nice. Okay, so their body is fully metal. Spoiler is plastic, and it is really sturdy. If you ask me, it is not moving or anything. And you can see, I don't know what this is exactly, but it has some detailing here. I don't know if that is the exhaust. I don't know what this is. So it has the air intake and everything here, but it is actually just fully blocked out by plastic. Okay, so the body is fully metal, the chassis is fully plastic. Till the front splitter here, everything is plastic, but it looks really good. Okay, let's weigh this casting. It doesn't feel that heavy, but maybe around 35 grams max. Let's see. Okay, 26 grams. I overshot. Okay, so let's do a roll test. It really matches with this track. Okay, let's do another try. Okay, the rear wheel wobbles a little bit. Front wheel is good. Okay, the rear wheel wobbles a little bit. It is actually a bit noticeable if you're looking at the wheel, but it rolls really well. So, okay, let's rate this car now. So out of 10, I would give 9.5. Maybe the reason I'm reducing that 0.5 being the scratches in my particular car which I have, and the wheel wobbles a little bit, and it is noticeable. So for that, I'm reducing that point 0.5, so 9.5 out of 10. So, and if you are asking me whether you should get this or not, my suggestion would be go ahead and get it, because I don't know if they're going to redo this casting in different color maybe next. I don't have the KK set, maybe during next, the subsequent cases, or even during next year. I don't know whether they're going to redo this again. My suggestion would be go ahead and get this. And even the interior looks really nice. Even though it is tinted, it does look really nice. So there are some cars are like this one-off cars. I think this would be in that category. The real car I'm talking about. So, so don't miss this one. So that's all I can say. It is a unique casting, if you ask me. And honestly, I never had this casting before any, even in Hot Wheels. So I'm happy to have this one because I do like this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.